Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Off the Board with Pineapple Papers where we take those Pinterest boards and put them to the test and make a layout or something of it. So the layout that I am going to be using is from the Felicity Jane and it's by Yolki Doyled, I think is how it's said. So it's a Christmas type layout, but I'm going to turn it into one of my close to my heart layouts that I pulled. If this collection is available, I will link it down below in my descriptions. But you will see that there is a ton of process videos. I actually just came back from a retreat, and I have 8 process videos that I made while I was at the retreat, which is really, really good for me because you got to edit, do the photos, save them to the computer, all of this stuff. So I was able to get 8 done. So you're going to see my desk different on some of the layouts, and then some in between there, I will be home. With this being said, I was super excited to say that I got myself pretty well caught up in February, so where I only have to really worry about my design team layouts for the month, which is awesome. So then I can focus on those and then get them done, and then also at the same time get some other ones done. So she did this particular one did a bunch of like circles and kind of stayed in the middle, and so that's what I did. And then she did have a pattern paper on the bottom with a strip, and that I decided to take one of the papers and go about doing it that way. So I was at the retreat with Amy and Fran, and we stayed together. We have gone to crops before, so this wasn't any different for us, but this was the first time we've gone to any type of a crop since and it was a lot of fun. We met a lot of new people. If you have followed on my Instagram stories or my Facebook stories, you would have seen some of the photos from one of the late night photo shoots that we did, and that was on Saturday night. And so we are eager to get back. We did sign up to do next year's crop in January of 2024, so that'll be amazing. And yeah, so that was a lot of fun. But I was super excited to just be able to scrap and do some stuff. I did more on Saturday than I did Friday because I did have some fires to put out at work for school, just because it was Friday. But Saturday I really hunkered down and got a lot done. So I hope that these layouts, once I get them up and running, that I am, that you guys enjoy these. So my background and all of that for the photos are just going to be a tad bit different, but they all worked out. You still get to see all of the process. I made sure I stayed in camera, and plus with this particular one, you got to see a little bit more of like what I bring on a scrapbooking retreat. And let me know, I would love to see if, we're getting into that season where a lot of crops are happening, and let me know if that would be something that you would be interested in on what I pack, because I only take 2 bags and 2 normal size bags and a small one with me. And I plan out what I am going to scrapbook. I look at for me, because I have design teams, I do look at the only ones I don't bring along are my cut files, because sometimes those are a little bit harder to bring with. I just don't have a good way to store them so that they don't wreck while I go on, these types of trips. But just let me know if that's something you think of. Make sure you go check out everybody that's linked down below. I would love to see you like and subscribe to my channel as well. I am on my way to 4,000 subscribers. I would love to hit that by the end of the year. I also have my retreat. So this is going up on Wednesday. I just got done doing 4 layouts from last week Thursday through Sunday, so I gave my channel a little bit of a break so y'all could catch up, and then I'm starting in heavy again. And my crop over in my group starts on Friday night, and I'm super ecstatic for that. So make sure that you get yourself ready to go. On Monday, this past Monday, I released the schedule and kind of like what the challenges are and what you're looking for and all of that fun stuff. So make sure that you go and check that out as well. And so what I decided to do is that my title is With All My Heart. And I thought that this photo was fitting. This is one of the last photos of my walk with having the trees in my back from being at Fort Gordon. It's like a bittersweet moment because we have done a lot on Fort Gordon. And I have one other photo that you will see me do as well. Over this past weekend, I got 2 of them done. And I knocked out a lot of photos. I started some other areas that I wanted to get into and get done that I'm super excited for as well. So let's see how this all plays out. But I just hit quite a bit of my layouts, and I just loved just to be able to scrapbook and, you know, kind of just be away from the world for a while, and just did this and only this. I didn't have to worry about children stopping me, or, you know, my brain didn't have to think. I just did this, and it was amazing. I watched, as you can tell, my laptop is over in the corner, and I got caught up on FBI, and I got caught up on some other things. I went through all of the hops that were going on that I'm a part of. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. But I'm just finishing up this layout. I am just putting in these little animals. I thought that they were super cute. So this collection is the backyard Bliss or backyard something or another. But I'll link it down below. I still think it's available, but it's just super gorgeous and it works out wonderful. And I just love these animals. They're super duper cute. I just love them. And so yeah, I'm just going through everything, and then I do get out some shimmers. It's like a rose gold to splatter along the way. And that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you go check out this Pinterest board. Check out everybody else. Get on with my group. Like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.